Hello everyone, my name is Dositej from MemberFix. Today I'll show you how to hide labels from GravityForms. So all you need to do is add a single line of code to your functions PHP themes file. For this I suggest install a plugin that is safe and you don't have to worry about anything. It is called My Custom Functions. Okay. Install and activate it. The reason for this is because you don't have to worry about creating child theme or worry about your theme being updated and your edits overwritten. Okay, let's go to Settings, PHP Inserter. Okay, you can copy this line of code from the description in this video, or you can go to my blog and copy it from there. Paste it here, toggle this switch on, save changes, and that's pretty much it. So let's see if it works. Open up any form, test form, and just add any field. Let's use name. Okay, see. Now we have this field label visibility drop down. Change it to hidden and see, this name is gone. Great. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching and good luck.